Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're at the Villa Mittermeier, located in Rothenburg ob der Tauber, Germany, a boutique hotel located just outside the Gallows Gate of the old city walls. The 20 square meter comfort room is one tier above the lead-in category room at this hotel. Stepping in and immediately to the left is the bathroom, which is relatively simple and not very evenly or brightly lit. Moving on, there is a queen-sized bed with individual blankets. Cups and saucers are provided along with sugar and creamer for use with the Nespresso machine, which comes with 4 complimentary Nespresso pods, a premium amenity. There is a work desk underneath a 32-inch LCD TV. Lastly are a pair of floor-to-ceiling glass doors that lead to a small balcony. In summary, for visitors to Rothenburg, this hotel is conveniently located, offers free parking, and while the bathroom is a little underwhelming, features modern interiors at a reasonable price. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the comfort room at the Villa Mittermeier. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.